Hi guys, in this video I show you how to cover up and track your face with an emoji in CapCut PC. Let's go! First, drag and drop the video you want to cover up into the timeline. You can see here a young lady walking around and I want to cover up and track her face with an emoji just for privacy or any other reason. In this video we are going to use the default text to create an emoji and to track it. Just drag and drop into the timeline, click inside the text box in the right top corner here, delete the existing text, then press the Windows and the dot button on your keyboard to open the emoji panel. Here you can choose whatever emoji you like. I choose this one. Adjust the size and the position to make the start point perfect. Also expand the whole text element to fit the whole video. You can see that this static emoji is not tracking the face according to the movements of the person. We are going to fix this by using keyframes and animate the emoji. Select the element with your emoji, for example this text element, then scroll down until you see the section transform. Just use this symbol to start the animation and to start the tracking. Once you enabled the first keyframe and make it blue, you can see it's already started. So all you need to do now is just use the arrow keys on your keyboard to make small adjustment in the timeline and also to resize and change the position of your emojis. Everything at the same time, just small adjustments step by step. You can see here I'm just using my arrow keys and change everything on the emoji, like resizing and changing the position. It's not an automatically process and it takes a while, but it's worth it. Now you can see the result. Thank you for watching and see you next time.